All right, today I'm going to be working on this one rock chip right here. It's pretty small. It's about the size of a little less than the size of a dime. I'm going to be drilling into it. It's going to be a pretty simple repair. Drill through that, and then I that kind of opens it up a little bit, kind of allows me to inject all the resin in. Slide that, just that over the hole there. I'm gonna put a few drops of resin in, just to make sure it's over that. Not going to be able to see it because the majority of the tool is going to be covering it, but you'll see the end result. So basically I'm just doing a few vacuums on it to make sure all the air is out. You can kind of see how it's slowly disappearing there. Letting the air out, put that in. I'm working on a Toyota 4Runner. My name's Brent. I'm located in Salt Lake City here. Cracks and chips windshield repair. You look me up. 5-star business pretty much through all the platforms. We come directly to our customer's location. We service areas like Holiday, Mill Creek, Murray, Utah, South Salt Lake, downtown. Currently we're downtown in the City Creek Parking Center. Just checking it. Hello, sir. Good. Just kind of waiting for that to seal up here. Soon I'm going to be just curing it. Now I use different products. I use different injectors for different jobs, different types of repairs. I don't believe there's one tool for every single repair. Just checking it so you can see that it's filled right there. This is going to be the final one. I'm working in a parking structure, that's why I have all the lights. Doing your own repair, you can do it. It is possible to do it, something like this, but you get one shot at it. So if you do a repair yourself and you don't have a professional do it, and you don't get it filled right, there's nothing I can do or anybody else can do to make it better. You get one shot at it. So my suggestion is always just consult a professional to do your windshield repair. If you're in Salt Lake City, give me a call. You can text me or head over to our website where you can find all our pricing. We have a straightforward pricing structure. Everything's transparent. We don't hide anything. There's no hidden fees. Just making it simple. Now we're just going to put this on at the top. This is a cure lamp, and everything cures with UV. Alrighty, so now that's done. I pull that off. I just remove this pressure here. This tool off, put that on that rag. Like that, I don't have my rag on me. Next, I'm just going to put a little resin right here. I'm going to put a little cure tab over the top of it. And that kind of fills in that little divot where the rock hits and where I drill, that final little thing, and now I cure it. scrape it. Scrape it smooth. It's all done. Clean up the window. And that's it. There's your repair. Right there. You can barely see it. Thank you very much. My name is Brent. You can reach me at 385-219-9100. And I'm in Salt Lake City. If you're in need of a rock chip repair or even a crack, I can repair a crack that's longer. You know, it could be 16 inches, or it could be 10 inches, 8 inches. I specialize in windshield repair. Thank you and have a wonderful day.